Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna continue another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the breather. I just want to show y'all how the engine bay looks before I go to what I recorded when the car was all in pieces. The intake manifold wasn't there and everything. So I just want to give you a visual reference. And then we're going to proceed to replacing it. So the hose I will be replacing that I recorded at the time was this hose right here. So this is what it looks like with the engine bay fully assembled. So let's go back to the video I recorded when this car was in pieces, when I was doing the upgrades to the 8th gen. So this is the hose that will be getting replaced. So let's go back in time to replace it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to replace the blow-by hose on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. So part number is 11826-JA10A. All you're gonna need is hose clamps. So what we're gonna do, slide this back. Yeah, this is hard like a rock, can't even bend it. Slide it all the way back. And then of course this side ain't connected, so just gonna take this out. And then same thing with this. Like, this is barely flexing. And this, you can see, bends real easy. But squish, hard like a rock. So, get the new one out. But first, we gotta take the clamps off the old one and transfer that to the new one. I'll set that like right there. I'm gonna do the opposite side. Same thing. I'll set it like right there. All right, so we're gonna put the hose back in, and unfortunately, this is on the top. All this orange lettering. This side. Slide that all the way back, and then the numbers, if they go in this way. And then you want to slide the hose clamp up to the edge of this white line. And same thing on the opposite. So pretty much like that. And then same thing for this side. Alright, and that's how you replace the blow-by hose on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.